Welcome to Crane Factor. I'm Derek Crane. This is Tutorial Tuesday. We will be going into a shoulder mobility routine. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So if you have a broomstick, what's really cool about this is that you can just unscrew the head of it, and then you can actually use the stick itself as your mobility piece. So you can use this, or you can use the Rogue mobility stick here, which is right about 5 feet, or you can just go to your Lowe's or Home Depot and buy a PVC pipe and cut it at that 5-foot length and just use that. So I'll be using the Rogue stick today. So with this, let's go ahead and just start here. What we're gonna start by doing is raising the arms up overhead and coming all the way around to the back and coming all the way back forward. So what you want to do with this is just key in on keeping the arms straight as you roll all the way back, and as you come back forward, keeping the arms straight. So creating shoulder mobility through your entire shoulder complex. So go ahead and get 15 of these here. You're gonna get 15 at your own pace. When you're done with the 15, we'll go right into having that mobility stick out in front of you, left hand on top, and then sitting back into your heels, keeping that left arm straight, and actually sinking the chest down towards the ground. Once you're here, shifting the weight from your left foot to your right foot. What you're gonna do here is hold this for 20 seconds. When you're done with 20 seconds on that side, switching over to the other side, right hand on top of the mobility stick, and then sinking the chest down, keeping the back straight. Really important to keep the back straight. And then again, shifting that weight from side to side. 20 seconds each on each side. When you're done with that, you're gonna come out of that. Again, grabbing that PVC pipe, keeping the arms straight. We're gonna go into full rotations here. So you're gonna start by bringing the left arm up over and around, all the way around to the back, and then the right arm comes up and around. Through this movement, keeping the arms straight. So full rotations here, keeping the arms straight. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go 12 each way. So after you get 12 going one way, switch directions. 12 going the opposite way. Actually rotating that shoulder complex all the way around, 12 on each side. And then creating some phenomenal shoulder mobility after you do 12 on each side there. You're gonna bring the stick up overhead, keeping the arms locked out. You're gonna go into a set of squats here. So as you squat down, keeping those arms locked out up above your head, getting into a full squat, and then coming all the way back up, all the way down, so that when you're in this bottom position, creating phenomenal shoulder mobility, and then coming all the way back up. So doing a set of 10 there. Here what you can feel is actually engaging through your shoulder complex. So trying to feel like you're bending that PVC pipe or your Rogue mobility stick as you squat down, engaging through your scapula and coming back up. Once you're finished with all of that, a phenomenal piece is to do all of that for 2 rounds. And being able to do all this shoulder mobility 2 to 3 times a week, you'll see profound results. And being able to do this before you do shoulder workouts, or just if you're at the comfort of your own home, you have a PVC pipe, you're watching TV, definitely go through these shoulder mobility routines. Thank you guys for tuning in today. For more Tutorial Tuesdays, fitness and health videos, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.